Hmm. So I came back from the haircut now. Uh, so did the FBI agent got into my house again? They got. Acha. What did they do? FBI agent. Do the government has this idea? The guy who is playing the FBI agent is stopping the forensic report, and do the FBI knows about this? And he is doing the identity fraud. Do the FBI knows about this? That he is stopping a government forensic report by playing an FBI agent. Do the government and the FBI knows this? Me, though, FBI is tracking this case from 2 years. FBI is tracking this case. FBI, many other, what do you call it? Everyone are tracking this case. Yeah? And everyone knows the truth. That's why there's a big pressure on this government. So that FBI agent did enter my house now while I was out having this haircut. Did he enter my house? That FBI agent. Does the FBI knows he is doing a identity fraud? In 2022, there were rumors of bombing. Do the FBI know this? The one who is doing the not rumors, what do you call it? Threats of bombing from my name, and that's the guy who has taken control over email IDs. That's the fucking guy. Do they know that the bombing thing is gonna happen? FBI knows this. They are doing the identity fraud, and their plan is to bomb. So did the FBI agent come for the diary too? What did he came in for? Now. What did he came in for? The FBI agent. Listen, son. Go out there in field, challenge your enemies. I challenged a minister, went out. And I still go out. Alone. Don't play. I don't play like you. The one who you play hidden. The FBI agent. Fake FBI agent. Go out there. So when I spoke about a minister, he must have spoke the same thing. Go in front of him. Go. You'll come to know what the real matter is. Go. Go in front of that minister. Go. You'll come to know what is the matter. So, some fake FBI agent. Look, get a girl, make love, and do what do you call it? Play that tech thing. Don't play these dangerous games. Okay? So, get a girl, make love to her, and get the fuck out of my life. And get the fuck out of my house. I think some fucking fake FBI agent wants to say that he is Yogendra Nikai. Go fuck yourself.